In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Fortnite not launching on PC. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there are a few possible causes for Fortnite failing to start, so let's go through every single one of them one by one. First things first, go ahead and open up your Epic Games launcher. So, open that up. That's how you usually launch Fortnite. But what you're going to want to do once you do open up the Epic Games launcher is just go ahead and open up your library and find Fortnite and click these three dots next to it to open up a page. It looks like this. What you're going to want to do now is select manage to bring up a page that looks like this now, and then go ahead and select verify. This is going to check for missing or corrupted game files and just repair them. It usually takes a few minutes. After that, go down to this little launch options option, and you can try forcing specific rendering modes for startup overdrives. Some pretty useful ones, and you're going to have to take this on, is going to be DX11. That's going to launch using DirectX 11. You could also use D3D11, which is going to force performance mode. You could do no splash to skip the intro splash screen. And then you could also go ahead and type in Vulkan if you do suspect some sort of GPU compatibility issue. You can even combine them to test out different combinations and see what works best for your system. But if Fortnite still isn't launching for you, what you're going to want to do is back out of this and hit Windows R to bring up this little run page that looks like this. Go ahead and type in % local app data % and then hit enter just like so, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and open up the Fortnite game folder. You may have to scroll down a little bit in order to go ahead and find this. It is going to be alphabetically ordered though. So find Fortnite game, open it up, and then open up saved, and then go into your config folder, and then finally into Windows client. Find the option for game user settings and right click it and select properties just like so. And from here, you're going to get another tab that pops up. Just make sure this is ticked right here to select read only, applies only in folder. It should have this little cross through it just like so instead of a check. After you do that, hit apply and then hit OK. After that, your Fortnite should launch perfectly. As you can see, if I try and launch it now, it is going to work. If you are still having any issues, let me know down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.